Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Hamilton Beach 14 cup coffee maker. Alright, the Hamilton Beach 14 cup programmable coffee maker. I picked this up on Amazon. I paid $88.70 for it. That's the at time of recording price, which is early August 2025. And the model is the 46220. And just real quickly, my last video I did was the Mr. Coffee 14 cup programmable coffee maker. So if you just want some kind of comparison, you can give that a check after this video. I'll put a link in the description below. We'll get into the demo in just a second. I'll show how to make a pot of coffee, but first I want to show what it comes with, which isn't much. We just have the reusable screen filter. Got the removable brew basket. No scoop, no measurement scoop. I'm jumping in with this clip post-editing. Matter of fact, I even posted the video. And shortly after I did, somebody made a comment, brought something to my attention. This is regarding the measurements. The mesh filter that it comes with, it has these markings on the back for measuring the coffee grounds. And check it out. It even illuminates when you plug it in. Totally missed it during testing, missed it during filming. I had it the other way, and that was hiding the light. And with the studio lights on, I couldn't see it at all. It's even mentioned on the box, and I just totally missed it. So I'm going to repost the video. Moving forward with the video, you're just going to see it the wrong way, but yeah, it should be that way. So I just thought I'd mention that. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I thank you to the user who brought that to my attention. Got a nice large shower head. Here's a look at the 14 cup carafe. And a quick look at the warming dish. Just going to turn this around because I want to show the removable reservoir. That's pretty neat. And this will hold up to 14 cups, full pot. Have the water level indicators on the side. And a quick look at the back of the unit. Okay, time to make a pot of coffee. I'll go over the control panel in just a second. Oh, also, if you don't want to use this screen filter, I say screen filter, this mesh filter, you could also use the number 4, these right here. Cone style, number 4, the 8 to 12 cup size. Even though this is a 14, this will work fine. But we're not going to use it. I'm going to use the mesh filter that it comes with. So I went ahead and I filled the reservoir up top, the 14 cup line, and we're going to do 1 tablespoon for every cup of coffee, so it's going to be 14 tablespoons. Now I'm going to show how to navigate the control panel. The unit comes with a decent amount of features. So when you plug it in, it flashes 0, and the first thing you would want to do would be to set the clock, set the current time. You don't have to do this. If you just want to put the water in, put the grounds in, and start the unit, you would just press this button right here. That's like an on-off switch. Once you press that in, it'll automatically start brewing right away. But if you want to utilize the programmable timer, you would first set the current time, and then you would set the programmable timer. So for setting the current time, see that clock icon with the gear? You would hold that in and you would set the current time. In this example, let's just set it for like 1:10 p.m. So we'll just hold that in. It's a little finicky. It's not the friendliest, okay, and then we'll just tap to set the time. You have the AM, PM indicators. If you hold it in, it'll scroll faster. Release. Real quickly, wait 3 seconds and it goes to minute. We'll hold it in again until we get to 10 p.m. And once we release, wait 3 seconds, the current time is set. For setting the programmable timer, it's the same thing like setting the time. You'll head over to this clock icon with the A. You'll hold that in and you'll just set the time that you would like for it to start in the morning. So in this example, let's just say like 5:30. Keep it nice and even. AM. Wait 3 seconds, it goes to the minute. And we'll just hold that in until it gets to 5:30 AM. Once you release it, the current time, well, I should say the current time, the time for it to go off in the morning is set. And you want to see this illuminated, this auto clock icon illuminated. This coffee bean icon, that's going to scroll through several options for strength. Right now I have it on classic. If you press it, you'll notice it goes to bold. It's for a more stronger cup. If you want a real strong cup, they have robust. So you have classic, bold, robust. We'll just leave it on classic. If you press it again, it goes to 1 to 4 cups. Now that option, if you want to make anywhere between 1 to 4 cups, you would select that. Let's say you wanted to make 3 cups. You would select that. You would fill the reservoir up to only 3 cups, not all the way up to the top, because it would just give you a whole 14 cup pot of weak coffee. So you would have to add the amount you want in between, in the reservoir, in between 1 to 4 cups to utilize that feature. In this case, we're not utilizing that. We're making a full 14 cup pot, so we'll just forget it. I just wanted to show that real quick. And what are we going to do? We're going to go to classic. And that's all that does. Above that, we have a temperature gauge. That's just for the warming plate I showed earlier. It doesn't really give, like in the booklet, it doesn't give specific temperatures. That's for the, like, to keep warm temperature. So I guess you have it warm, a little bit warmer, and hot. I'm going to assume what that means. See that little thermometer going up? We'll just keep it all the way up at the top. The icon next to that, that little, I guess that steaming cup icon, that will allow you to select when you want the warming plate to turn off. And you have anywhere between, options between 10 minutes all the way up to 4 hours. So let's see what it's on. We'll press that. So yeah, so after 2 hours and 10 minutes, the warming plate will automatically shut off. And if you just keep pressing that, it goes in 10 minutes, in 10-minute increments, excuse me, as you could see. So that's just like for turning off the warming plate. We'll just keep it on 2 hours. So after 2 hours, it'll automatically shut off. All right, just finished brewing. So for the whole 14 cup pot, figure 14 to 15 minutes, a minute a cup. Almost 170. 169 degrees Fahrenheit. Great. Very acceptable. Nice hot cup of coffee. I'm going to put in some milk so you guys get an idea of strength. Let's see how it came out. Yeah, you know what? I would probably not even mess. Remember, I was showing the feature to go to bold, to robust, back to classic. Classic is fine. Do one more. Great heat and very good flavor. Very good flavor. It came out really well. I'm very impressed and I like it. It's a good 14 cup programmable coffee maker. I mean, what would you compare it to? The Mr. Coffee 14 cup? The Hamilton Beach. I'm doing the Hamilton Beach. The Cuisinart 14 cup. But that's going to be it. That's the video of the Hamilton Beach 14 cup programmable coffee maker. I thank you for watching. If you came this far, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. That's helping it grow. And I will catch you in my next one.